Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to minimize apps icon size on Motorola G06 Power. But before I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, as you can see here, for the apps icon I use the largest one. So if you wanna minimize it or if you wanna change it to the default, you just have to go to the settings. And now in the settings page, go to this home and lock screen options. Now select the first option, which is home settings. We'll see here the icon size. You just have to tap on it to change it to the default size or to smaller size. Here, as you can see at the top, this is for the preview. And if you want to minimize it, you just have to shifting this button to the left here, guys. So this is the preview. I want to change it maybe for the smallest one. If you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will save automatically, guys. So we check it first. And yeah, this is the result. For the apps icon size on my phone, it will be a smallest one. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.